Today with my friend Vusi over here, we're going to cook up a storm. We are making venison on the braai. We're going to do a little bit of roasted Mediterranean salad, cutting our vegetables really nicely. All our peppers, baby marrows, tomatoes on there.
Can I get you a glass of wine while you hook us up with those veggies?
Don't mind if I do, buddy.
In the eyes?
This is how we cook it here at the restaurant. Just salt, a little bit of spray on there to keep the moisture going, and that is it. As it is a very, very lean meat, it will cook very quickly. We're going to add some fat to that meat a little bit later on. And what we want to do is to cut that fat, add a little bit of acidity to it. And my favorite for venison, and of course any fattiness, is a little bit of chimichurri. How do we make great venison of Woolies taste better? Add a little bit of Wagyu fat to it. Flambadou coming in, nice and warm. There we go.
Content.
Bit of chimichurri that we made, a little bit of tomato, onions, a little bit of ghost cheese, love it. Cook your barley, fry it, a little bit of Spanish paprika, cayenne pepper, extra texture, a bit of crunch.
Love that Wagyu fat on top, like it really runs it off nicely. And that salad, man, I know I just had a hot tomato, but proper on point.
Let's toast to that, buddy. Thanks.